We are here at Collegetown Center to take a look at the Angle Style Studio Apartment number 228. We're on the second floor of this 6th-floor elevator building at 151 Dryden Road. As we enter the apartment, you can see our kitchen is here on the left. There's the refrigerator, the sink and dishwasher. There's a microwave on the countertop. There are cabinets and drawers and a stove and oven. I like this space across from us over here on the right. This is a good spot for a narrow bookshelf, for your shoes, like a shoe rack, or even a narrow table in here to add of your own items. You may bring in whatever items you like that fit nicely into the apartment. As we come into the unit, you'll pass by the closet. Let's take a look in the closet. The closet is for your storage. There's a shelf, and you can see we have some good storage space. We've got a whole big suitcase in here to show you. Let's go on into the main part of the apartment. The apartments are furnished. They will have the bookshelf, the desk and chair, the dresser, the full-size bed, and there is a dining table and chair. We'll see that as we get more into the apartment, but let's take a look at the bathroom first. Over here is the bathroom. I'm going to just turn around so you can see there's the door we entered through and the kitchen. The bathroom is over here on the left. And here is the bathroom. So you can see that tub shower with the sliding door. There's the sink and vanity. There is the toilet, the nice large mirror, towel racks, and the cabinet on the wall holds some small items in the bathroom as well. Okay, so we've talked about the apartment furnishings. So let's go on in and take a look at the view. You can see that dining table over here. This one is a less common setup that we see with the bed kind of right in the middle. You may move the bed wherever you like, but one furniture placement note, you would not want to keep the desk in this position here. You would want to move the desk so that it is not blocking that heater unit behind the desk. So don't leave the desk in this position if you come to an apartment and find the furniture left that way. The furniture can be moved around wherever you like on your own within the apartment. We call this an angle style studio apartment because these windows form an angle shape. You can see that extra space right here. The left window is the larger window that does slide open. The one on the right is fixed and does not open. They both have a mini blind that close for privacy. We are on the south side of the building, so we are away from Dryden Road. But let's go take a look out the back. You can see that we're over the parking lot areas. It's summer, so there are fewer cars here right now. You can see another one of the angle style studios right next to us on the right. So you can see how it does protrude out from the building, and we'll go around and see on the left, there's not a window protruding. That's a regular rectangle style studio right next door. So we have this extra space in the apartment. It's a really nice feature to be able to have this extra space. We do have a valley view a bit over to our west over here. It's a little dreary today, so we can't see, but you can see as well, but there are some pretty valley views that way. And this is College Ave over here to our left. College Ave intersects with Dryden Road at the corner, and that is our main intersection here in the Collegetown neighborhood. From that location, we're just one block to campus. So that's a look at Collegetown Center 228. This is a south angle studio apartment here in this 6th floor elevator building right in central Collegetown at Collegetown Center.